probably asking yourself, well, what's the big deal, you know, between the two guns, like we're going to do this comparison between the two guns. Personally, I like the way they both shoot. Like I said, I'm always been a Glock fanboy. I don't care what anyone says. I love my Glocks. I like them both. I like the Shield. I would tell you right now, if you can only buy one, and I know some people say, oh, I get the Shield. It's a cheaper gun. It shoots excellent. Both of mine have a little custom stuff done to them. I'll show you once we get back to the house, but they're real great guns. Both of them are. I'm going to do a little comparison when we get back. Alright. We're going to have a little showdown between the Glock 43 and the M&P Shield. We're going to run a few drills with them. First drill is going to be 2 to each body, reload 2 to each head. We'll see what happens. Okay, here we go. Whoa, okay. Let's go see what the targets look like. Two to the head, 2 to the body, 0 points down. 2 to the body, 2 to the head, 0 point down. Ah! 2 to the body. I think I gave this one here a little ear piercing. I missed the head on that one. Still pretty good shooting though. Okay. Let's tape them up and see what we could do with the Shield. Hey! Back again. I'm gonna try with the Shield. 7 yards, 2 to each body, reload 2 to each head. Okay, here we go. We're going to see what happens. All right. Let's see. Let's turn the camera around. Let's see what we got here. Oh. Let's see. All right. This is the first target. This is with the M&P Shield. 2 to the body. Oops. He must have ducked. That one hit him in the chest again. Here we go. Second target. 2 to the body. 2 to the head. Here we go with the last target. 2 to the body, 2 to the head. Okay, that's with the M&P Shield. On this next drill, use an M&P Shield this time. 2 to the body. They're at 10 yards. Reload. 2 more to the body. Okay, here we go. All right. Let's go check it out. Let's check it out. See what we got here. Oh, somebody was moving on us. All right. All of them are in there. 0. Ooh, he must have been ducking on me a little bit. 3 down. 1 down. From 10 yards. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. We're doing good. Do the same drill we did before with the M&P Shield. Do 2, 2, 2, reload 2, 2, 2. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can do it. Okay. First target we're looking at over here. We're down. This one kind of crinks the line. I'll give that one. Down 1. Oh, this one we improved. Down 0. This one we're down 1. Talk about the Glock 43 versus the Shield. The M&P Shield. I like both of them. I think they're both great guns. My Glock I had for a while longer. It's the 43. It's been on a few videos. You can search the channel. It's been on a lot. This one has a Pierce mag extension on it. I like this one a lot. Like I said, I love my Glocks. Glock fanboy, however you want to put it, but I love Glocks. Shields are great too. This one here is the M&P Shield. This one's a performance center. Both of them have the Apex trigger in it. This one has everything stock from the Shield. I'll be honest with you, it has a very nice trigger on it. It's an excellent shooting gun. Same way with the Glock. Overall though, I prefer the Glock, but I take either one. They're both great guns. I got a little shooting that we just did. Probably seen it in the front of it. The video, it came back, said we'll give it a little quick little review on these. Like I said, the Glock 43, I did a lot of custom work to it. I think they're both good comparable, because even to the Shield right now, it's even the regular Shields, they're selling them cheap. It's a good gun for what the money paying for. And this last couple months ago, they had a rebate, and it was, the guns were selling for under $250. You get them for after the rebate. So I mean, you look around, even back then, even now, they're probably not that high. I think this is the best buy you could find. It's for the Shield. All right, like I said, thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time. Okay, and like always, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And like always, if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you like the video, hit like. Leave a comment too. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate you watching.